Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. All the stuff that you see here is from my Christmas decor haul. I filmed that the same day, and I am just getting ready for Christmas. And I love to listen to Christmas music and use Christmas scents when I'm cleaning. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I hope it gets you motivated and excited for the Christmas holiday. I wanted to clean this area extra well because I knew I was going to do a Christmas coffee station, and I actually filmed it, and that video will be coming out next week. So here I'm basically just wiping down every surface where my fall and Halloween decor was, because I go pretty crazy with my shelves for Christmas, and I needed everything out and I needed it wiped down and smelling fresh.
Oh, and you give me all your loving, and our love is a chain.
If you're wondering why my Christmas tree is already up, we had purchased it from Goodwill, and I wanted to see if all of the pieces were there. So I quickly put it together and put some lights on it, and all the pieces were there, but we ended up selling it and getting a different one anyway.
Leave all the fears that you have behind, and we'll break every curse, put it on the line. Can't stop fighting for you, 'cause all I know is I'll go anywhere that you wanna go. 'Cause life is worth living. Oh, and you give me all your loving.
Guys, I loved this setup so much, and it was like painful for me to take it apart, but I'm really glad that it's on video and I took lots of pictures, because it's one of my favorite fall centerpieces that I've ever had. And if you haven't seen the collab that I did with Leah yet, I'll put a link up above and you can go check it out. We did a Thanksgiving tablescape, and I think hers came out really great and I loved mine.
You got me high up when I'm feeling low. You got me losing all of my control. This world is always feeling cold, but you're everything a miracle.
get lots of little pieces of things caught in between the wood on my dining room table. And I don't know if you know this little trick, but you can use a credit card or any kind of hard piece of paper and slide it in between and get all of those little pieces out. I still had moss and all kinds of stuff in my table from Halloween, and if you could see underneath, there was so much that I pushed out. It was actually kind of gross. It felt so good to get all of this cleaned up and fresh and almost new feeling, and I was definitely ready to decorate for Christmas after this. However, right about here, I knocked the camera over and broke it. So I am in the market for, you know what, that's not even true. I'm filming on my phone. Let's be real. I love it, and it's so much easier. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.